Hi friends, myself Dr. Madhumita, secured 224 rank in NEET PG 2024. First of all, I would like to thank my parents, friends who constantly supported me during this preparation time. And I would like to thank Dr. Karthik sir, B Institute, and the staff member who teaches and each and every detail in precise and brief manner. Initially, I was clueless about this exam preparation. I'm not having any idea about it. Then I am a average, very slow reader, and I got around 7,000 rank in my first attempt. Then I started my preparation with the guidance of B. Dr. Karthik sir, he is there. He motivated me and encouraged me like anything. He taught me about what to study, where to start, and how to go through this subject, and what all extra book you are having the for specific subject and studying methodology. And he